Guys, right now Shiba Inu is dipping hard, but the question is it going to bounce? Is Shiba Inu going to be okay? Right now I'm making a short, easy, simple emergency video letting you know what's going on with Shiba Inu. I'm also going to be letting you know about what's happening with other cryptocurrencies, so make sure you watch this video to the very end because you cannot miss what I have in store for you today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make every single day about cryptocurrencies. Also, if you would, do me a favor, it really helps out the channel if you would smash that like button and let me know in the comments below what you think about this video, any parts of this video that you want to talk about, that you have a comment on. Make sure you let me know in the comments. Also, make sure you join my Patreon. It's only $10 a month. It will greatly benefit you. In my Patreon, I give out buy and sell alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And even last night, we are in huge profits. We bought Solana right here at $200.16. If you would have bought Solana at my buy alert from just last night, you would be up over 14%. There's a bunch of other cryptocurrencies that are in significant profits as well. My Patreon also have other services where you can talk to me on the phone. I can build you a portfolio so that you can be in the best position possible to make money in this bull run. And one last thing, I am giving $1,000 of Ethereum away at the end of this month. All you have to do to qualify is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter. The links for that will be in my description, and put Ethereum giveaway in the comments. So let's go ahead and just dive straight into the content. So what we are seeing, especially if we zoom out, we are seeing a very significant dip for Shiba Inu. And Shiba Inu continues to break levels of support. So in a sense, this could be a potential precursor to a bigger crash. But if we really see what's happening behind the scenes for Shiba Inu, the community, the hype, the strength of the people that invest in this coin, it is very strong despite these little drops. So generally what happens most of the time, whenever you see massive pumps for any cryptocurrency, when there's massive, huge pumps for cryptocurrencies and they happen for a month, a couple of months, they have to have a time to breathe. So maybe this was the top. Realistically, let's just be honest. Maybe this was the top for Shiba Inu for a couple of months, and Shiba Inu at this point enters into a bear market where maybe we consolidate at whatever range it may be. So from the top, we are at a 40% correction, a 40% crash. That is very significant. Luckily in the Patreon, we were able to sell at the top and move a lot of our profits into other cryptocurrencies. Not everyone did take profits and not everyone wants to sell. Some people are very bullish on Shiba Inu long term. And personally, just to be real with you all as well, yes, in the immediate short term, Shiba Inu may go lower, it may crash further. Yes, that's a realistic possibility, right? But in the long term, I think Shiba Inu, it is in the top 10 now, it's a top 10 cryptocurrency. I think Shiba Inu has a future, a bit of a future. It's not going to have a type of future like Bitcoin and Ethereum and some other really huge projects, but you never know. We could be greatly surprised by Shiba Inu. It's all up to the developers at this point, what they plan on doing with the crypto. But there's a lot of other things that I believe will pump up Shiba Inu. So we may enter into a bearish market for Shiba Inu for a week, a couple of weeks, and we just kind of trade sideways where things look boring, like things that have been happening for DOGECOIN and Cardano. Cryptocurrencies that make these massive pumps, they do cool off for a couple of months. They generally enter into these bear markets, and then out of nowhere, they start to take off again. So maybe we just have to see what happens with Shiba Inu. Let's watch the price settle. Let's see if we can catch a bottom. Let's see if Shiba Inu can find some support. And that's when we want to be taking a look. Okay, should we be buying this dip? Because as of right now, I mean, if you're super bullish and you are super long term, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. Yeah, maybe it would be a good dip for you to buy. But I would never advise any of my clients, anyone in the Patreon, and my friends, anyone I know, to go all in on Shiba Inu. That is the biggest mistake you could ever make. I definitely recommend to be diversified in other cryptocurrencies because yes, Shiba Inu just had massive pumps. Now, since Shiba Inu had all these massive pumps, it's probably going to cool off for a period of time. It may or may not. It may just continue to pump like it always has been doing for quite some time. But maybe Shiba Inu goes into this bearish market while other cryptocurrencies pump up. So what happens is if you diversify your portfolio, while some cryptocurrencies after pumping up big, maybe they're taking a breather, other cryptos in your portfolio can go up, meaning that you can still make lots of profit even when big portions or some of your favorite cryptocurrencies are in a bearish market. So that's something to consider. And in my Patreon, I do let you know how we can do that on the phone. But if we take a look at this pattern just on a pure technical standpoint, what we are actually seeing is a form of a falling wedge pattern. Yes. So what we are actually seeing is we are seeing this level of resistance kind of follow this line, right? And then we are also seeing these levels of support following this line here. So what's actually happening is that we are still trading inside of this pattern, which can be a very, very bullish thing. Generally, this type of pattern is most of the time very bullish, and what actually happens is it comes from the previous trend. That's how we can tell if it's bullish or not. If the previous trend is bullish, where it goes up and then has that pattern that we are seeing right now, generally after it gets squeezes into the apex, which is this very tiny little area here. There's a lot of pressure between the buyers and sellers, and the price sees a breakout, pushing it up further. So personally, what I think could happen is that we can try to fulfill this very pattern into this descending triangle pattern. And if we get pushed into this apex, it could be a very, very bullish sign, but we will have to see. If it starts to break out with volume to the upside, then we will make our entry. But if it continues to break out lower and lower, then we are in a confirmed downtrend and looking like we could be heading into a bearish market for Shiba Inu. So I just want you to be warned, to be aware of certain possibilities. Yes, it can go up, yes, it can go down, but based on that it has already pumped up so high so fast, at least in the immediate short term, it would not surprise me if Shiba Inu cools off for some time before taking off again, and however long that would take. But I do not think or imagine that it would take very, very long, especially since the whole crypto market is very, very bullish, and the FOMO, the retail investor FOMO, hasn't even started yet. And once that comes back, you best believe Shiba Inu will be taking off again. So let me know what you guys think about that. I also just wanted to show you this. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum is extremely bullish and is looking very likely that we could see $5,000 this weekend. Yes, you hear me say it. We could see $5,000 this weekend. And if you want a great platform to buy and sell cryptos like Ethereum or Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, use my WEBULL link so you can get those 2 free stocks. All you have to do is deposit $1 using my link below, and they will send you 2 free stocks for up to $2,300. Now, there's some other cryptocurrencies that are setting up very good as well. Yes, of course we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin, I'm still believing in Dogecoin. Dogecoin is looking very, very good on a technical standpoint. We talked about Dogecoin in my video last night, and I'm still very bullish on Dogecoin. Dogecoin is getting ready to set up for a big move. This is going to be exciting to see Dogecoin pop out of that. Now Solana is just killing it, breaking all-time highs just like Ethereum today, and it is looking very good. XRP, look at this. XRP is looking like it's going to be breaking this level of resistance, heading up into the golden pocket for this fib channel, this 618 level. Now XRP could be headed to $1.40. XRP is just looking very, very good. A lot of us in the Patreon, we were buying XRP 80 cents, 70 cents. Things are super crazy. I'm super bullish on XRP. Let me know if you love XRP in the comments below. We have Algorand actually looking very good. Cardano is starting to break out of this descending triangle pattern. That is looking awesome. Very, very excited. Cardano, look at that. It just like Shiba Inu, very, very similar pattern. Look at this. It pumped up massively, right? And then we had this long consolidation period, this little bearish market, and now it's starting to break out of that pattern. So we will keep a very close eye on Cardano. Avalanche, we also bought Avalanche yesterday, and the buy alerts. Congratulations if you bought Avalanche. And if you've been buying Avalanche since joining my Patreon, you have been buying Avalanche very cheap and are in significant profits. Avalanche is about to break this level of resistance, signaling a huge breakout to be hitting the $200, hitting hundreds of dollars here very, very soon. And that's pretty much all the cryptos I do want to show you. Overall, the market is very bullish. I'm super excited. But Shiba Inu, yes, Shiba Inu just outpaced the entire crypto market. So Shiba Inu, look at this. Look at just this massive parabolic run. And look at the prior push up. Look at this. So we had this same move, right? Same move followed by a consolidation period. It's kind of heading down, right? It was heading in that direction. And then boom, out of nowhere, after it reached the apex, where we did announce a buy alert to buy Shiba Inu, it blasted off. So the same thing is kind of happening here. But what we are seeing is more significant dips, more volatility inside of this pattern. It's nothing to be absolutely concerned about. But then again, I would not be holding a huge bag of Shiba Inu at this point after pumping so much. We were able to take profits at the top, so congratulations for you as well. But I'm not giving up on Shiba Inu. I do have hope. Has a lot more to go. So if you like this video, make sure you smash up the like button, blow up the comment section. I will see you all later.